Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing 3utools on your Windows PC and confirming your iPhone trusts the computer. Once connected with a reliable USB cable, open 3utools and choose Data Transfer, then Easy Transfer. This initiates a device handshake and scans for transferable content. Make sure both devices have enough battery and close background apps. You'll see a source and destination. Confirm them. Press Start to queue items. This step prepares file lists and permissions so the actual move completes smoothly. Once the session is ready, choose what to move: photos, contacts, messages, apps, and why. You may prefer selective transfer to save space. Use Select All for a full mirror or pick specific folders and set overwrite rules so duplicates are handled predictably. Start the copying process and watch the progress bars. 3utools shows file counts and speed. If the transfer stalls, pause, recheck cables and device trust, then resume. This handling prevents partial copies and keeps metadata intact. When the transfer finishes, don't disconnect immediately. Let 3utools finalize and verify checksums. Once it shows complete, safely eject the device and inspect destination content, open photos, messages, and sample apps to confirm integrity. If something is missing, reconnect and use the transfer log to retry only failed items. This saves time. One key troubleshooting tip: if transfers fail repeatedly, replace the USB cable and reinstall the 3utools driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.